da ka jingthmu ban penlet jimot aki phang kum ka koj yakhya ka jingbam bataimat ka rap karyang ka roi ka par ha ka imlang salang bat ka pule puthi ki bolong kongsan jong ka imlang salang ha paro ki aspirational district bat ki block ka niti ayuk mentak si khandai trik naitung kala peli pajba ya ka sampurna ta abian Haribhoi district ka bedairu ka wena preng ki sispa khat artali ki aspirational district jong kari India ya ka ne ka jingelang penlat pajba la penlong ha parishol nongpo ha ka ne ka singil wan ban sai khilang do ba meral bons im amale ka nongpo uba sastona satun amale ka jirang bat ubat daman baj lamare amale umroi kumju aka jindon lang deputy commissioner Haribhoi Abilash Baranwal surandar mera IFS kumju ru unong ajingmut jong niti ayok ki officer na kitanat bapher lambat kiwi kinong kitkam haswa banyo ya ketika jingpli pajba la sedang ban perlong ya ka jingkop marathon ka basan kilometer bat nang tapat but sa ka jingkop dro jingdro ka bla penlong ha district library hall nong po ya kinong job aka jingkop marathon bat ban dro jingdro la sami kusnam ketika program ka bla penlong ha parishol nong po.
Launch of Sampurnata Abhiyan for Haribhoi district. Haribhoi district has a unique distinction that we are an aspirational district and simultaneously we have an aspirational block that is Umling block. Niti Ayog has launched Sampurnata Abhiyan under which the target is by 30th of September there are 6 indicators across health, nutrition, education and agriculture that we are supposed to receive 100% saturation. So today was the formal launch of the same program. 1, 2, 3. Belai. Ah, pesawat.